What is it?
It's my favorite brush. Woohoo! Nice.
You know what? This one is more powerful than the last one. Remember the last one kept getting stuck?
That one don't stop.
Oh, he wants out. Look at it, it's moving.
I think he wants me.
He wants out. Look at him.
He's not strong.
He's like, let me out. Okay, you want to open it?
Yes.
Okay, let's open it.
Get your knife.
Okay, there, and then open this.
Hey,
Okay, hang on, and we pull this out. I can't hold it. There we go. Okay, put it down on the ground. Okay, oops. Okay, take it out. Pull. And look. You know how to work it?